Alright, y'all, this will be a quick how-to set up a main game fundraiser. First, on our main screen, you'll right-click, click Add a New Folder, title it to match the carrier you are going to set up the game for. So go into our blank docs folder, and you will open up the corresponding game doc that matches the number of spots that is going to be in your game. I've already opened up the 100 spot blank doc just to save us a little time. Here you will go in and on the blank main template you will right click and then click make a copy. I have already done that, again to save us a little time. Once you have your copy, you will right click on it and click rename, and you'll rename it to match whatever fundraiser it is you are setting up. I have also done that just to save us a little time. Then you will go and drag your form to our main page and click OK. You will then go in to our main page, find the form you just moved there, and put it in the folder we just made. Click OK. Then you'll go into your folder. You will open up the form and edit it to fit your fundraiser for whatever it is you're doing, just like normal, just to make it pretty. Once it allows you to edit it, we'll then go ahead and click on change the theme. Customize your theme to whatever it is you wish. I have a couple go-tos that I like, but it's all personal preference, of course. Once it opens, update your picture. I will go ahead and use this one. I like to make the font of the title pretty. We'll use this one for today. And then that is done. Go back into your folder, and it has already created. And here's where it gets a little different from the way we used to do it. Once it opens and lets you edit it, which may take a second just because of my screencast. Okay. To start setting up the response forms, you want to click on the number 1 row heading, which will select the whole thing. You'll come over to here where you've got the right pointing arrow, and you'll click on it. It'll give you 3 arrows. The middle option is for text wrapping. This will wrap the text in the whole row in each cell so the participants can see everything. Then we'll go over to column E, and you'll click on the E cell or on the column heading. You'll right click and click insert one left. That will add your column for your admin spots assigned. Then you'll click in cell E1 and type in admin spot assigned. And I like to make it a pretty color, a nice bright color, so it draws their eyes to it so they know what they're looking for when they're looking for their assigned spot. On the how will you be paying for your spots column, in order to format the cells that when you type in paid, it turns it green, you just click on the F column heading, right click, scroll down and click on conditional formatting. It'll bring up the sidebar. You click in the box for format cells if the text contains, in the second box, type paid. And then I like to make it bright green just because I'm different. And click done. And go ahead and close that. And then when you're going through and verifying PayPal, you type in paid and it turns it green. Now, the spot counter, if you go into cell C10 and type the formula equals sum, open parentheses C1 colon C9, close parentheses, that will count all of the spots here. Then you go to here and you'll type the formula equals and then enter the number of spots that are going to be in your game. In this case, it'll be 100 minus C10 and hit enter. And that will give you your requested and remaining spots. Then I rename this tab by double clicking on it and naming it request. Hopefully I spell it right. Then to add your game doc, you just click the plus button to add a sheet. You double click on that to rename it Varsity or to match the name of your game. I like to have, when they open up the link, I like to have it the game doc first. Then you'll go in to the tab that we opened for the blank template and you will scroll all the way over and select all of the text and spots and copy. Then we'll go back into here and paste. Once it has done that, you can make this look visually pleasing and shrink those and expand the ones where we put their names in. You'll change the name. Make sure the proper cost and spot number is here. Add your name here. And something very important for our record keeping purposes is to have the winner's spot. And for this, we'll do two $5 pay it forward. And then when you pick your winners, you can just copy the number and the name and click there and it'll paste the number in one and the name in the other. It makes it much, much easier. And just like that, your main fundraiser is set